Do you know that you can use a coconut to remove your name from the list of wicked people? If you have a monitoring spirit that control you, that command you to do something that is very bad, you can use this coconut to remove your name from you can use it to remove yourself from their list. So get one coconut in the night before you sleep. Use this coconut to touch every part of your body. Then drop it at the corner of your room. Drop it there. Then in the morning when you wake up, open one hole from this coconut, put it in a plastic rubber, add a pinch of salt to it. Then add that water to your bathing water. Use it to wash every part of your body before you say a single word to anyone. So when you come out from the toilet, or I mean from the bedroom, take the coconut outside and you break it. When you break this coconut, don't touch it again and you leave it, you go. By the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me a good testimony.